Today we're going to unbox and review the Devanti Portable Air Conditioner. Is it worth it? Before I get started, I ask that you take time to read our disclaimer. And while you're reading, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, as it'll really help this channel tremendously. And with that being said, let's get started on the video. This is the Devanti Portable Air Conditioner. As of today, it currently retails for around $260 at catch.com.au. This air conditioner is perfect because it's portable, so you can use it at any part of your house. It's also small, so it can practically fit anywhere. The measurements for this air conditioner are 32 centimeters in width, 34 centimeters in depth, and 68 centimeters in height. In the box, it includes the portable air conditioner, Windows exhaust kit, the hose, remote control, and user manual. Here are some of the key features of this air conditioner. Perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, 3-in-1 aircon, smart LED display, remote control, 24-hour timer, quiet operation, and energy efficient. So how do you assemble this air conditioner? You first have to extend both sides of the hose. Screw the hose inlet, connect hose to the back of the machine, adjust your window to fit the hose, connect the hose to the window, and then turn on the air conditioner. I'm honestly really happy with this purchase. It does a great job cooling my room, so it's especially great during the summer. This machine is so easy to set up and so easy to move. My only downside to this product is replacing the water, as I practically have to change it daily. Other than that, I would definitely recommend this product. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you bought this air conditioner and what are your thoughts on it. Till next time.